Okay, so I have applied my combo, I have applied my primer, I have applied my corrector foundation and sealed off my foundation with the powder. And now the moment that I have been waiting for quite some time, I'm just going to show you this makeup is literally waterproof. So this is my old bottle of a fixing spray. It's got nothing inside, it's just water, plain water. See, safe, nothing, not fixing spray, nothing. I'm gonna drench my face with this, and I'm going to actually dry it off using my portable fan, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So here goes. Okay, I'm just gonna cover my eyes because I don't want my eyeshadows to I hope you can see it. There we go. I've drenched myself with water. This is water everywhere, as you can see. It actually went on my eyes as well. But you can see it's not even making those marks, lines, or anything. Now I'm going to dry it off using my portable fan so I can show you. Okay, so this is my portable fan. I just normally use this to, do my lashes. Now I'm going to dry my face using this, and I just want you to see how it looks. Just trust the process, give it a bit of time. I want you to see how nice it settles in my skin. Did you see how drenched I was from water? Look at that. So basically with just normal, air after you, let's say maybe you took a swim or whatever, this is how your makeup will dry off. And I'm just going to show you now, almost done, almost. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, almost. And it's dry. I think it is dry. Should be. And then I'm going to touch it because I want you to see what I'm talking about. I'm going to touch it literally. Should be dry completely. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and touch it. And there we go. This is it. After all that water and everything, this is my makeup sitting in place. No matter how much I touch it, it looks like literally I just put it on. So yes, ladies, do not forget to contact me if you're around the Pretoria area. Contact me on 079-101-4746 and I will assist you in terms of matching your shade. It can be in store, it can be an online consultation, whichever one that you prefer. We are based at 290 Stokkies Drive, Erasmus Rand in the Pretoria store. From me, Sam, and Perfect Shade, love you lots. Till next time.